guys, this is Sachita here, founder of Iridiza.com, an online curated jewelry platform bringing you the best of styles from across the globe. So this is my first YouTube video and I am a bit nervous naturally, but I couldn't think of a better way to kick things off than something fun. 2025 jewelry trends. What's in, what's out, and how to stay effortlessly stylish this year. Let's dive in. It's time to let go of loud logo jewelry. You remember those Louis Vuitton or Chanel earrings, bracelets, necklaces? Well, those had their moment. Now it's time to let them go. Because let's be real, you're not a walking advertisement for a designer. Your personal style should speak louder than a logo. Instead of letting a logo do the talking, let your jewelry make the statement. Unique, eye-catching pieces don't need a brand name to stand out. They just need great design. The real flex? Owning your style with unique standout pieces that turn heads because they are stunning, not because they have a giant logo stamped on them. Perfectly matching jewelry sets. Too predictable, too obvious, too boring. 2025 is all about individuality and self expression. It's not about looking like you just unboxed a set and wore it as it is. Instead of feeling stuck in a set, have fun with it. A striking necklace, pair it with simple studs. A statement earring, let it shine with a bold cocktail ring. Mix textures, play with contrast, and create a curated look that actually reflects you. In 2025, styling isn't about rules. It's about what makes you feel amazing and inspired, like you just threw it on and it worked. So, for example, take this twisted pearl necklace set which I am wearing today. If I were to wear it with these earrings, with these matching earrings, I would look so predictable. So instead, I have paired them today with these silver hoops, and these hoops are minimalistic, and this is sort of a statement necklace. So for me, it takes my look to a different level altogether. Fabric jewelry has its charm, but let's be real. It frays, fades, and falls apart. You love that handcrafted artsy vibe, but what if you could have that with a little more durability? Instead of fabric-based pieces, explore textured metals, oxidized finishes, and sculptural designs. They bring the same creative energy but with way more longevity. These pieces give you that artisanal, handcrafted feel without the wear and tear. This year, jewelry is all about polished aesthetics. Gold, silver, pearls, gemstones. Think modern metals, textured finishes, and geometric lines. And let me tell you, these aren't just fads, they are here to stay. Unless, of course, I have to bite my tongue later. Tell me, which trend are you ditching first? Drop a comment below. And if you want to stay ahead of your jewelry game, subscribe to my channel for more expert styling tips and trend updates. Ready to refresh your collection? Shop now at iridiza.com.